Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we're going to model a cup and also we're going to create a steam in Blender using smoke simulation. Now let's get started with the tutorial video. Let's add a reference image of the cup. Press shift and then go to image and then select reference. You can download any reference from the internet. To model cup, I have added a cylinder. Now let's enable X remote. To enable X remote, press Alt and Z. Now to modify the cylinder, let's go to edit mode by pressing tab in keyboard. And we're going to select the lower loop cut and scale it down to match the reference image of the cup. And then we are going to also scale the upper edge loop. Now let's add a loop cut. To add a loop cut, press Ctrl plus R and then press left click and move the loop cut to around near the handle of the cup. We are also going to add two loop cut near the handle of the cup. We need to add one loop cut in middle to get a nice shape of the cup, and add another loop cut in the top section. Now let's go to the top view by pressing number 7 in number pad, and we're going to align the middle edge with the x-axis. Now let's add a modifier. To add modifier, go to the modifier panel and then select solidify modifier to give some thickness. And then let's add a modifier by pressing Ctrl and A, and then let's shade it smooth. It looks kind of weird, very smooth shape in the edge of the cup, and there should be some hard edges. To solve this, we need to add some loop cut. Now let's another modifier, which is subdivision surface. We got some weird shape in the bottom of the cup, and to solve this we are going to add an insert. To add insert, select the face and then press I and then scale it down, then press again I, scale it. Now let's extrude the handle of the cup by pressing E To save time, we're not going to extrude all the way to the bottom of the handle. That's why we want to add a spin by pressing Alt and E, and then edit from the its setting. And then we are going to adjust the vertex manually. Now we are almost done with the modeling of the cup handle. Now we are going to connect the cup with its handle. To do that, select all the vertices of the handle, and also we are going to select some vertices from the cup. And we're going to bridge it. To bridge it, we're going to enable search bar, and by pressing F3 in keyboard, and then we'll type bridge and then select it. Now we are done with the modeling of the cup, and that's it for the today's tutorial video. And we're going to texture it and create a steam in part 2. And I will share a link in the description down below, and see you next time.